Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys a tutorial or a guide on how to go about the HACD mining and bidding. And yeah, it's easy. So first of all, yeah, before then I took it upon me to draft out a little guide. I couldn't fit all of this in the description. I had to short it and fit in what was necessary and what was unnecessary. And mind you, this is already on the platform. I just couldn't understand that one directly, so I had to do mine separately somewhat. So first of all, you just search the Twitter handle, which is this, then click the link in the bio. It takes you to all related links connected to HACD. You scroll down to HACD mining and bidding tutorial, then click on it, and you can see this is the guide where you could run the full node and then start the mining and all. It was kind of not too direct for me, so I had to do mine. So you just click on this run full node, allow it load, and this is also it. This is the guide on how to get everything running. Then click on this to go to the GitHub page to download all necessary files. So this is the GitHub page. These are all the files depending on what OS you're using. I'm using Windows, so I'm downloading this Hacash full node Windows. Then I download this, and then for the dial worker also, then I download for the Windows also, because you need those two, one for the mining and then one for setting up the node. You can see they are both downloaded. So I go to my file browser and I put them on separate folder each for them. So create a new folder. I name it Hacash node. Sorry, I want to put them in small letter. You can decide to name it whatever I want to name it. Then I move the node into this and then create a new one and then name it Hacash dial worker, and move this one to here. Then I come here and I extract all files there, and this is set. Then I go to the next one. I extract all of that also in its own folder, and that is set also. Then coming back to the guide here, according to them, this is starting the mining. So this is running the node. So to run the node, after downloading the full node software of the corresponding, run the executable file in the command line without modifying any configuration. So you open your command line and then navigate to where you kept the file, which is my downloads folder, and this is both of them. So you open the first one, which is running the node, Hacash node. Then I do this for the node, and I open the node and I check. Okay, I have my zip file and I have the configuration file and I have the exe file. So what I want to do is open the configuration file and the exe file. So from here, this is the code to open it. So I just go to my listing, click dot slash Hacash. So I already have this on my clipboard, so I'll just paste it. This is it. This is it. Just click on it and it loads. This is setting up the node. This node takes hours sometimes or minutes to set up, so I'll just give it time to sync. This is it. It's syncing block from blah blah. It's going to take some time, so allow it to sync, and when it's done we'll continue the video. So yeah, you can see it's syncing, but I'll just leave this to keep syncing, and when it's done I'll come back and run the dial worker for the mining. But before then, let me explain the website for the mining. This is the website for the mining. And just so you know, you need a wallet actually to, mine. This is it. I don't have the wallet, so I'll just click here. I don't have the wallet, so it should take me to where I'm going to download the wallet. You see, download from Chrome Store. Then allow it load to ask you add to Brave, and then you add it. Add extension. While doing that, also keep note of your sync. If it's going, you can see it's still going. So the wallet is downloaded, and I just have to move all this to securely initialize this. I like this mode of setting up the wallet. It's very good. Just keep moving until it gets complete, and you can see if I have a wallet, I'll import. If I don't have a wallet, I'll create. I already have one, but I just want to like create a new one for the sake of this video, so I'll just create. This is my private key. Copy it and keep it somewhere safe. Copy and then next. Click on next, and I have backed up. That's you make sure you back it up, and also don't allow anybody to see your private key. This wallet I'm just using it for a guide. Then you set up the password. Repeat the password here, confirmation, and then OK. And the wallet is set. You can see if I come to my wallet extension here, I can just pin it out, and you can see it's up here. So I'll just close this one, close this one also, close this one also. This is the guide, and then this is another guide. So this is the website. If I reload it, it should connect to my wallet automatically. Okay, it doesn't. So okay, exactly, it connects to my wallet automatically, and this is where you get to see all the bits that are happening. This is current bit 0, and if you're mining, you should see some details here about the diamond you're mining and the current name and everything. So this is where you participate in auction after you've mined a diamond, because when you mine a diamond, you have to like participate in an auction before you can own it. So these are like HACD bidding assistance to connect your wallet. Click bid button to bid, then fill in the number of hack. Hack is the main token for the platform, which you need when you're bidding to like pay for it for the bid. And also, just because you mine for HACD doesn't mean you get to own it at the end of the day, because after mining, you have to participate in the bidding process. And if you're not the highest bidder, whoever bids in, takes the HACD. So it's just like you help the person mine. So yeah, so you just have to make sure you mine, and then you're the highest bidder for it. These are like total HAC bid fail. All those are like information, and then this is the exchange price for the token for HACD. If you don't want to mine, you can go and buy it. This is the price. And for HAC also, like HACD conversion to HAC, this is the price. And these are like different diamonds that have been mined and all, and these are that have been bidded also. These ones are no longer available. And then this is like a tutorial again. Collect your wallet, which I just did, then download and run the full node. This is what I'm doing. It is syncing. It's currently at 36%. And then step 3, modify the configuration, which I will do next. Then download HACD mining program, which is the Java worker. We already downloaded it. Then modify the configuration also, and then set up the mining for it. After that, you start mining, and then you get to see a detail here about the mining and all. And that is that for the HACD mining page. Then come to a launch pad. This is where you get to see um, people who already have HACDs that you can participate in buying as a collection or an item. So let's just click on, these are different collections: Diamond Star, Floppy Disk, Cyberpunk, Trump, Throughout. You pay for them by using Hack and HACD. So you just maybe click on one of them here, and it loads, and when it opens you see details about it, and then where you make your offer. This is the name of it. This is the name. This is the highest offer for the bid. Then you can see the highest offer. This is the bidder's wallet. This is the date he bidded. And these are like all the details about it, the items in the collection, the amount of mints, the offers, the deals, volumes, highest offer for a particular whatever item there, and the highest price also. This is details about it. You read it, and then to make an offer, you just maybe 50%, 25% of what the highest bid is, 100% of the highest bid, then make an offer. You can see I don't have enough hack, which is the token I need, the official token I needed to make this bid. If I don't want to like mine a HACD, I'll just come here and buy this one and I'll own it. And just so you know, owning an HACD is very important because sometimes they give you an advantage to make offer or to buy something. Let's say let's go to a different collection. Now there are some collections that deals with making sure you have HACD and HAC to participate in them. So if you should buy HACD now, you could participate in those ones by using your HACD. Let me show you. Sorry, it's taking time. Let me check this again. 40 something percent still going. So this is Diamond Monster. I hope this one is different. So you just read all this. This is the thing about it. Then this is place bid. You place a bid. Let's see. I just hope this one needs HACD. There are some collection that need HACD and HAC. So these are like offers. This is the highest bidders. This is the price they bid, and these are some deals also that have been done with their dates. These are some of the items on the collection. You can see plus 25%, just the same thing as the other one. Make offer. Sorry, the network is running bad a bit. 49% is still syncing. It's going to take a while for that to sync. And these are like, this is the HACD name, all items from this HAC. You can see this item comes with a HACD, so when you buy it you get a HACD. So let's see, you see I still don't have enough HAC. I still can't use HACD to purchase this one. I mean, there are some items that you need HACD. I just can't find them right now. Let me see, I'll try to find one while the syncing is still going on. Let's see, let's see. Let's try this again. I think I saw one there before, so let's try it again. um let's see. Exactly, this is it. You mint, so you need an HACD name to mint one of this collection. So when you have a HACD, you just input the name of your HACD. You can input up to 200 HACD, but that doesn't mean you're giving this item 200 times value. You're just using 200 HACD to back this item, and that's just like saying I am a sole owner of a company, and then I have a company that is run by 200 people. You know how strong sometimes having more people on one team is, and having one team for one, that's like 1 to 1 and 200 to 1. So 200 people backing one team shows that that item is strong, but one person backing one item shows that it's not too strong, but it's still very strong. But I'm just using the analogy to explain all of this. This is the offer, the deals, and all. So when you click on mint in P2 HSAD, this is your wallet, which is my wallet. Then I click on mint. I can't because I don't have a HSAD name. And these are all offers. These are all items also. And yeah, that is that for this, and for the launchpad and the mining page. But let's go back to the mining page and stick to that place so that sorry, no here. When I start the mining, you should see what I'm talking about. Some 56% now, so let's give it time. This is what I wanted to see when I start the mining. So let's give it time and allow it to load finish. All right, so you can see all blocks are already synced. So I'll just end this and restart it again just to confirm that they're synced and they're listening. Yeah, so this is where I closed it and then I restarted it again just so you see if I'm listening. As you can see, I'm listening on this place. So the next step is to set up my dial worker by opening a new terminal, and then to set up the dial worker, first I need to confirm my node. I go to the configuration, to the download for the node. I confirm the configuration file. On the default configuration file, you would see a semicolon here like this. and like this, you have to delete those semicolon, because if you leave the semicolon, it shows that you're ignoring that line, and if you ignore that line for the minor and for the diamond miner, it's going to ignore the diamond miner. It's not going to, connect together to start the mining. So you have to make sure those two things are removed. You'll see it on the miner and on the diamond miner, or anywhere you see it, just remove it, and then that's set for the um, configuration. Then you save it and then go to the diamond miner and then navigate to the page where you have your um, diamond miner, as you can see. So I just switch to the file and open it, and then you can see this is it. So before then, you have to make sure you stop the node and then restart it again. This is the node. You have to restart the node before you can launch diamond miner. So by launching the diamond miner, you can see I already have the code on my clipboard, so I'll just paste it here, which is this. To open the both of them, you just type this and type this, and then you launch it. Sorry, then you launch it, and you can see the diamond is now mining. You can see it here. And so if we should go back to the page where I said we'd see where is the mining page. Yeah, this is it. You can see now this is appearing here, this is appearing here, and everything. So this is to show you that the mining is running also. So all you need to do is just to know that when you start your mining, it pops up here. And I mean, I think this is due to change because this is not the final HACD. So at the final HACD, you see the name should pop up here. You just need to copy the name, come here, search for it, and then connect your wallet, search for it, and when I log into my wallet, I already have my wallet, so I'll just log into my wallet here. Sorry, yeah, come on. Just connect my wallet, refresh the page, connect my wallet, and then participate in the bidding. Because when you're mining, you don't just mine and then have an HACD. You mine and then, just like I explained, you connect. When you mined and you have an HACD, you come here and then you bid for it. This is the current bid for what is mining currently now. So you bid for it and then you own it. If you don't bid highest, you get to lose what you mine. So that's why sometimes buying a HACD works. And yeah, you can buy HACD by coming here, which is go to resource. This is the platform to buy, and then this is another platform to buy HACD or HAC, which are the two tokens. This is the exchange, and then this is C Hacash the diamond where you could buy rare HACD. You can see this one $19, $168 for this. There are different HACDs. So if you don't want to take time mining, because this is going to consume a lot of time. So if you don't want to take time mining this, you just come here and buy, or you go to the official platform to get HACD, or you buy the official token HAC, which is $0.4, I think. This one is $8.3 approximately, and then the HAC is $0.4 also. So you just buy it, and yeah, that's just basically it for the mining, which is like setting up the node and also setting up the miner, and the mining is working. You just need to know that you can't have the miner working if your node is not working. Let's say I close my node now, I stop the node, the miner is automatically going to stop itself. You can see error cannot get whatever from the node, so it's going to stop itself. So you need to make sure you have, if I should run it again, because config load cannot init diamond miner from blah 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 blah. So you need to have your node running on a different, you need to have your node running, then you have your miner running also, and that's when you start to mine. So that's just basically it for it, and this description should be below on the video. It's not detailed like this, but the platform also is detailed. You just need to read it through, This is how to set up the node. It's not that difficult. It's just that to me at some point it was looking not too direct, but it's very easy to understand. Read it and then read the guide. And this is the mining also to set up the dia worker for the mining. All of this. Then yeah, this is the platform for the mining, and this is the launch pad for you know this is the launch pad also, like I said, for participating in new tokens launch, staking, and even some auctioning. It just allows you to engage with the platform using HACD, without needing to mine also, like I said before. So yeah, these are just it. And this is the link for every link connected to the HACD, and this is the Twitter page right from where we started. And that's just it for the video. So thank you very much, and I'll end this now because I am not actually mining for a diamond. It's going to take a long, long time. I'd rather just buy one. So yeah, thank you. See you in the next video.